Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Mazda 6 on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Open the trunk and peel back the trunk liner to expose the tail light access area. Most Mazda 6 models have plastic clips plus two 10mm bolts behind the tail lamp. Work in dry daylight, give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to remove the fasteners, and lay the clips in a small container so you won't lose them during reassembly. After exposing the lamp, remove the two 10mm bolts securing the tail light assembly and carefully pull the assembly outward from the vehicle body until the wiring harness reaches the aperture. Grip the bulb socket, turn it counterclockwise to release it, and withdraw the bulb. Replace with the specified 12V, 21W replacement bulb or the OEM part number in your owner's manual. Before reinstalling, inspect the wiring harness and terminals for corrosion. Clean corroded terminals with electrical contact cleaner and replace a loose socket to ensure a reliable connection. Reinstall the bulb socket by inserting and turning it clockwise until it seats, then align the tail light assembly and push it into the body flange. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts, snug them by hand, and if you have a torque wrench, set them to about 6 to 8 Nm to avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test parking lights, brake lights, and turn signals to confirm proper operation and brightness. Reattach the trunk liner clips, secure all fasteners, and expect the job to take 15 to 30 minutes total.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.